This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the voice chat on your Roblox account with your Android tablet or phone. So what we want to do is just go to where it says More in the top left. And then you can see we want to go to Settings. On here, go to Account Info. Now with Account Info, we want to make sure we have our email address on here, our phone number, and then we want to verify our age, so it puts us into a specific age group. So you can see I'm in the age group 21 plus, so I'm only able to communicate with those people. So anyone under the age of 21, I'm not able to communicate with. Once you have that set up, we can go to Privacy and Restrictions. Go on over to Communications. And then just allow the Experience Chat and just turn on all the options for this. So Experience Chat is on, Direct Chat is on, Party Chat is on, all friends, all friends. Okay, voice data usage, you can decide if you want that on or off, and then camera input as well. So my voice should be working out, and I'm only limited to that specific age group like I said. So when we go to a game, if you're in that age group, you'll only be speaking to those people. So if someone's standing next to you and they're not talking or hearing you, that's probably the reason. So I can jump into a game now and I should see people speaking. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.